Registering for mymathlab. Math 0997, Math 1001. You will need 3 things. Number 1, course ID. The course ID will be given to you by your instructor. Number 2, an access code. This is a mymathlab access code that you will purchase at the bookstore. If you do not have your access code yet, you can request temporary access. You register as soon as you get the course ID from your instructor so that you can begin your coursework. You may enter your access code at a later date, but you must obtain a code before the expiration date of your temporary access, which is approximately 2 weeks. The third thing you will need in order to register for mymathlab is an email address, and you must use your GPC email address. If you do not know your GPC email address, you can contact the OIT Service Desk by emailing servicedesk@gpc.edu or phoning 678-891-3460. Note, if you are enrolled in both Math 1001 and Math 0997, you will not need 2 access codes. The only other thing you will need is the second course ID, which you will get from your instructor. It does not matter which course you register for first in mymathlab. You will use the same login and password for both courses, and they will both appear in your mymathlab course list. The first thing you should do is direct your browser to www.mymathlab.com. Once you're at the website, you will click on the Register Now button for students. Then you will click the OK Register Now button. The first thing that you're asked for is the course ID. Type the course ID in the box. Click Continue. On the right-hand side, you will see a confirmation of the name of the course as well as the instructor's name. Verify that you have the correct course and then sign in with your previous Pearson account if you have one, or click Create to create a new Pearson account. If you have used mymathlab in another course, you may use that same username and password. When you create your account, you type in your GPC email account. The system will suggest that you use your email address as your username. However, you can select a different username as long as it is unique. Once you have selected a username, then enter your password. You may change your email address, username, and password at a later date, but your first and last name cannot be easily changed without going through Pearson technical support. So be sure you type your first and last name very carefully. Select a security question from the drop-down menu. and enter your security answer. Accept the license agreement, and if you wish to help improve Pearson products and learn about Pearson's new offers, you may click this box. Otherwise, just click the Create Account box. Now we will talk about how to complete your registration by entering your access code. If you do not have an access code yet, you can request temporary access, and there is a short clip at the end of this video showing you how to do that. You will see on the right a confirmation of your course, and then you will be asked to enter an access code. Click on Access Code, and you will see 6 boxes where you enter the code. Type the code in the box and click Finish. At this time, your order will be processing. Once that's done, you will receive confirmation and information about your account. You may wish to print this page as a receipt, but you will also receive an email confirmation in your GPC email account. Now you can log in to mymathlab.com with your new username and login you have just created. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. Once you've logged in, you will see the name of the course for which you just registered. If you are enrolling in both Math 0997 and Math 1001, you may click the Enroll in Another Course button to enroll in your second course. Once you do that, you will be asked to enter the course ID of the second course. As soon as you enter that course ID, you will receive confirmation of your registration. You will not be asked to enter any additional information. If you have successfully registered for your section of Math 1001 or Math 0997, you should not be asked to enter a second access code. If the system does not recognize you and asks you to enter a second access code, first verify that you are using the correct login and password that was used to register for your Math 1001 or Math 0997 course. If you know for sure that you are using the correct login and password, log out and try again a few minutes later. It is very rare, but in some instances it may take a few minutes for the system to recognize your first registration. Here's how you would get temporary access if your access code has not come in yet. You will notice underneath the access code link that there is a link to get temporary access without payment for 14 days. Click the link located there, and it asks if you're sure if you want to get temporary access. Click Yes, and you will be confirmed in the course for 14 days. You will receive a confirmation of your temporary access at your GPC email account. As soon as you get your access code, or if you would like to pay online, you can click the link that is contained in that email. You'll be asked to log in with a login and password that you created, and once you sign in, you'll be asked to enter your access code. You will click on the access code or purchase the access code. If you click on the access code, You will enter it in the boxes, click Finish, and then you will have permanent access.